Not only you, other students also love to write white color. I know.
Oh.
And the next one is
都
数
是
count 什么？数 count
哇，是呢。
数 count. I know your idea. You know why? Yeah.
很聪明。
Yeah, 对。
那不是，我可以用拉错的。
Okay, fine. I just want to laugh like this. Okay. You guys know what I'm being a 老师 for so long, huh?
I just tried to like this.
I am smarter than you guys,
Well, that's
okay?
actually
You need to
super
know this
smart.
point.
So smart. So smart.
You can ask Cape, okay? Just admit that.
Big brain.
数
我想看人家，看人家。
数
I'm gonna change to blue, then the arrow one.
Hey, stop using white color. Yes, you can use. Fine.
Oh.
I don't care.
Where?
D 20 times. Wow,
It's right here.
Smarter, baby, smarter.
Wait, I got
Two.
right here.
Oh, not funny, huh? Smarter than you.